This electronics distributor has a 300,000 square foot central distribution facility using a pick and pass order fulfillment strategy. They have 4 zones of grey shelving holding slow-moving SKUs. 4 automated zones consisting of 18 Kardex shuttles sitting face-to-face with a conveyor in the center, and 1 zone of high bay shelving for large bulky items. Additionally, they have shipping and receiving, front office, and a counter service area for anyone local that stops in to buy directly. All orders drop into their ERP, where a worker assigns each order to an order tote using a scanner. The order tote is moved throughout the warehouse on a central conveyor, traveling through the grey shelving zones, picking about 50 lines per hour, through the Kardex shuttle zones, picking about 100 lines per hour, and finally through the high bay shelving zone, picking about 20 lines per hour, stopping at the zones as needed to collect SKUs for the order. When done, the order tote is sent to shipping and receiving, where the order is quality checked and delivered to the right location.